The TMK Turbo cylinder is our patented hydraulic cylinder designed for professional and efficient forestry work. In a nutshell, the TMK Turbo is two cylinders put together. The smaller cylinder works always first, and this gives the speed when working with the little stuff. And when the little cylinder runs out of power, then it automatically kicks in the bigger cylinder and provides the power needed to cut through the big stuff. To get the most out of the TMK Turbo, it is vital to always adjust it to fit the base machine's pressure and flow, especially when you're mounting it to a new machine. By adjusting the turbo, it will work as intended and you'll get the full advantage of the speed and efficiency of the product. This way, the smaller, faster cylinder works when working with the smaller stuff, and the big cylinder comes only when you really need it with the bigger trees. To start adjusting the turbo, you'll need 15mm spanner wrench and 4mm Allen key. And note that some of the older cylinders might have 13mm locking nut. Please note that the adjustment screw is made with anti-clockwise threads, meaning that it will loosen clockwise and tighten anti-clockwise. The adjustment is done by loosening and tightening the valve, which is located here at the back end of the turbo cylinder, and then testing the grapple to see when the big cylinder moves. The target here is to get the smaller cylinder move first and the big cylinder to activate only when the pressure rises enough. First, loosen the locking nut a few rounds anti-clockwise with the 15mm spanner wrench. If the big cylinder moves already, you can skip the loosening stage and start tightening right away. But if you're uncertain how to do it, these steps will get you there. Remember to release the pressure from the machine every time when you're adjusting the adjustment screw, otherwise it might jam and you can end up damaging the Allen key socket. Start the adjustment by completely loosening the adjustment screw with the 4mm Allen key so that the big cylinder moves immediately when you use the shear. From here, start tightening the adjustment screw anti-clockwise one round at a time until the big cylinder doesn't activate anymore. Then loosen the adjustment screw one round clockwise and then the big cylinder should activate again. Then loosen the screw 1/4 round clockwise and now the big cylinder should activate. This is your optimal setup for the turbo. Lastly, hold the adjustment screw in place with the 4mm Allen key and tighten the locking nut with the 15mm spanner wrench. This way, the adjustment screw doesn't start moving on its own. Please note that if your shear is equipped with both the collector and the TMK Turbo, it is even more crucial to find the right setup for the TMK Turbo to get the maximum benefit out from both of the attachments. When the turbo is adjusted correctly, the small cylinder works first, then the collector arm opens, and only after the collector arm is fully opened, the big cylinder activates. Now you know how to set up the TMK Turbo. If you're still having trouble to get the equipment to work properly, please contact your local TMK dealer or TMK directly.